basically, in this whole recording, I am going to explain how we can create our own custom GPT. Okay, so there is process. If we'll follow that particular process, we'll be able to get our custom GPT and we'll get the result, better result as compared to the basic result we get from the chat GPT. Okay, so basically in this screen, you can see that I have the premium of ChatGPT. Okay, so in this section, you will see on the left hand side that there is one section called GPTs. Okay, so when we click on that particular option, we get to know about there is so many GPTs which people have created according to the need they have, and they have shared it to everyone so that everyone can use their GPT as well. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can see that we have someone has created the image generator GPT, which is specialized in generating and refining images with a mix of professional and friendly tone, which is created by Anef J. Alotabi, some person. Okay, just like that, we have a lot of GPTs which people have created according to their need and have opened it for everything. Okay, so just like that, we can also create our own GPT, and it depends whether we want to make it live or not. Okay, so first we will go to this right top bar. Okay, you can see that there is a section is called create. Okay, so we'll go to the create section firstly. When we click on the create section, we'll get this particular tab. Okay. So in this whole dashboard, what you can see is that this is the particular place where you can create your own chat GPT, and then you can preview whole GPT model in this particular section. Okay. So firstly, if I say that when you create your GPT, go to the create section rather than configure section, because we will go through this section after we will create a after we'll do some steps. Because basically, firstly we will let ChatGPT know that what exactly we want, then we will configure it according to our need. Okay. So first, let's just start. It is just having a question that, hi, I will help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generative visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who will format my code. So basically, you have to let him know what is your need. Okay, what exactly you want. So I have created one prompt, which is this, according to my need. Okay, so basically, I want to create a particular GPT which can help me with my every particular need. Okay, so I will just copy paste it here. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so you can see that I have mentioned that I want you to act as my AI assistant who supports me in my role as a digital marketing manager, who will help me daily with end-to-end digital marketing. Everything, whatever we need as a digital marketing person, whatever my need is, I have put down in this prompt. I get this detailed prompt, like what was I can get the strategy building as well from ChatGPT, or maybe I want data analysis, or maybe I want social media support, or maybe I want market research, competitive research, or maybe I need AI tool integration research, maybe I need team management, maybe I need client communication, whatever it is. I have wrote down all my roles in this and mentioned what exactly I can, maybe I will need in the future. Okay, so I have mentioned all the details in this prompt. Then I'll go to this go button. Okay, when I click this button, it will go to the like this. Okay, okay. Okay, see, this is updated. Great. Starts. Let's name your assistant. How about marketing ops strategies? Does that work for you? Or okay, so basically you can see your preview here. Okay, and it's the model 40 GPT 40, obviously the latest model. Okay, so see, basically when I mentioned the whole prompt about my need, about my thing, it has created this: build a digital strategy for our next product, analyze, draft a social media content, suggest automation tool. So basically, in future, whatever I need is mentioned in this particular section as well. So next, it is asked that what particular name you want to give for your own GPT. So I will give it. I will give a. I'll give a. You can say name like. marketing hub, or you can say, yep, marketing hub. It can be a marketing hub. Okay, so I have put down the message marketing hub there. Okay, so now it is creating my generating the profile picture, basically the GPT profile picture. So it has created this, and I am okay with this. I don't want a particular, you can say another image or something like that. So I created this. Now it is asking that would you like any changes to look for them? If you want, you can. I don't want to. That's why I'll say no. It's all good from my end. Okay. So you can see the preview here itself. Okay. Fantastic. Marketing Hub is all set and ready to support your digital marketing needs. You can try it in the preview chat on the right. I'm here if you want to refine or expand its capabilities. So basically now my GPT is ready. Okay. But we have to configure few things which can help us get the better result. Okay. So basically, then we'll go to this configure section. Okay, when you go to this configure section, according to the chat you have done with the GPT, it is mentioned here. Okay, for an example, I have put down the name that marketing hub, then description is strategy assistant for digital marketing leaders. Okay, now whatever instruction I have given to the chat GPT according to my need, it is put, it's here itself. Okay, so now it's also mentioned the conversation starters. So whatever when I'll start or I need something, it can be start with a build a digital marketing strategy for our next product launch or analyze this, that, everything. Okay. If you want to start any other starter or starters, you can say if you want to put down that suggest me the best automation tools for my workflow. It can be like this as well. Okay. So we can put down this as well if I want, and you can use another particular conversation starters as well. If this is what you need, then you don't need to delete it. And if you want to change it, you can change it according to your need again. Now we will put some knowledge to our GPT. Okay. Basically, I have created one document where I have put down the case study of every module in the digital marketing and the company which have used that particular uh, module in that extreme level that they get the best result from that particular module. For an example, I have this particular sheet. Okay, and this sheet provides the module and the company with their strategy they have used and their execution, their results, the whole case study is mentioned in this particular sheet. Okay. So what I will do is okay. I'll just do one thing that I'll upload that particular file in this knowledge section. Okay. So if any of you, for an example, you are a graphic designer or you can say you are a content writer, and if you have a prompt which provides you the best result in your previous work, you can just put that in one PDF and upload it in this knowledge so that whenever you need another particular good result, you can get it from here itself when you put down your own knowledge into this. Okay, so I put down this. Now if I talk about the recommended model and all, so basically you have to go for the you can say the no recommended model. Users will use any model they prefer. If I put down that ChatGPT 4.0, ChatGPT 4.5, so it will just work on this particular model only. But I don't want that. Whatever, because some people will have the premium, some people will have the free section. Okay. So that's why we are not going for this. If you want to make it private, then you can go for your own model. And if you want to make it public, then you can go for the no recommended model section. Okay, now I have put down the capabilities like web search, canvas, 4G image generation, code interrupted in data analysis. Basically, I am telling my chat GPT to get data from all these platforms. Basically, chat GPT, whenever it provides you an answer, chat GPT gives answer according to the data it filled in chat GPT. Okay, so if you enabled this web search, canvas, 4O, image generation, code interpreter, and data analysis section, then it can give you result from the different platforms as well. This web search is the search engine data. Okay, so basically, whenever you put down any query according to your need, it will give you an answer while searching from the search engine as well. Okay. So this is how you configure. Okay. Now we have the another option, which is create new action. And now what is this create new action? So basically, if you want to authenticate something. So, okay. So basically what this action is, if you want to get any data, any section or any kind of action outside of ChatGPT, then you have to put down some schema in this particular section. Okay. So for an example, you can put down an API key or something like that. If you can generate an API key of your search engine. For an example, you are using Google, and for USA people use just an example. USA people use Yahoo. Okay, so you want the data from Yahoo as well. So what you can do is you can generate one API key of Yahoo search engine and put down this API key in this section and save it and put your schema, whatever the schema you will get from that API key, put it down here, and then whenever you will do this save section, there is a section, save section. Then whenever you put down any query, you will get the result from Yahoo as well. Okay, so this is how this action works. Okay. So I don't want this because I'm using the search engine and I am already Google search engine and I already added that particular section. Now, if you want to go through the, if you just scroll down, we'll go to the additional settings as well. Okay, so if use conversion data in your GPT to improve our models, yes, it is something for GPT as well. Basically, whatever query and whatever data you are putting in ChatGPT and getting it from ChatGPT, if you want to save the memory into your model, into the ChatGPT model, you can enable this so that you can get the better result in the future as well. Then now it's all set. You can see we have all the information put down. We have seen our particular thing. Let me give you one example. Okay. For an example, I have put it here. Hi, Marketing Hub. Uh, why I doing this? Why I'm doing a normal greeting with the bot? Because basically, according to the research, if you're doing a normal conversation with a bot, it gives you the better result, as the study says. Okay, so I've just done the hi. See, the it result is hi there. How can I support your digital marketing efforts today? Whether it's a strategy, content, analytics, or something else. I'm ready to drive in. So see, it just give me the same answer which I want. Okay, it's the person already, the bot already know that I want anything from this particular thing zone. Okay, so I'll just put down, give me a best case study of a brand for my um, influencer marketing module so that I can create a best influencer marketing strategy for my company itself, for my new product launch itself. Okay, just a second. Influencer. Flu. So, okay, okay. Okay. One of the, see, it's put down one of the best influencer marketing case study. So case study influencer marketing is it's just Jim Shark partnered with the micro influencers in the fitness space to build great first credibility. Execution focused on long-term collaboration, user-generated content, and affiliate partnership. It gives me the result. It gives me the AI usage as well. Okay, so basically, I just asked him the best case study of a brand of influencer, and I didn't ask that particular GPT for a whole data. Okay, I just asked it from a small case study, a summary case study. So it just gave me the strategy, a basic strategy, the execution, the result, their AI usage. And if I want to make it for my own product, I can give it give it the prompt and I'll get the result as well. So this is how it works. So it just gives me the result which I want according to my need without any problem. I just give a simple prompt as well. So this is how you create your own GPT. This is giving me a small result, you can say, because I have put down a small data. If you have a long research, if you have a lot of data, a lot of documents according to your role, according to your need, or about your company or anything like that, if you put all the data in this GPT, you can get more better results. Okay, so this is how we create the GPT, custom GPT for our own work. Okay, now we will go to this create section. Now, when you create this create section, you can make it to GPT store as well. See, you can go it for the research and analysis, and you can make it make it live for GPT store itself. You can make it or for you, only you as well. If you want, you can make it for anyone with this link. But I am doing it for the uh, GPT store. But public actions and valid privacy policy. Click here to update. Okay, I need to update to the another premium section to make it live for the GPT store. So I'm just doing one thing. I'll just go with the anyone with the link. And you want, you can do it for only me as well. And this is how we create the custom GPT according to our need. I can do it only with me because I didn't have the updation for anyone with this link as well. So that's why I'm going for the only me section. Now I'll just save it and GPT published. Now if I go to my view GPT, this is how it looks like. See, it's like in the left corner, I can see my GPT, which is this marketing hub. And if I want, I can change the models as well because we have already selected the recommended section as well. So this is how it looks like, and this is how we can create a custom GPT for our own workflow.